What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Daylight by JUMEX. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. As always, if you need the guitar tab for this, you can find it in the video description, as well as if you need the chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So for the picking, you're going to start with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're picking D, B, G, and then you're picking G again. So again, 3rd fret D, 1st fret B, and you're picking D, B, G, G. That's played through once. Take your ring finger off and you're picking open A, B, G, G. So the same way as the first chord, just A instead of D. Then ring finger goes to the 5th fret on the D string, and you're picking the same thing you were in the very beginning, D, B, G, except there's nothing on B now. Your B and your G string are open, and you're picking D, B, G, G twice. And that's the whole first half of the riff. So from the beginning it looks like. We'll do that one more time. Now the second half of this riff is the exact same way, the exact same thing. The only thing that changes is when you go back to this chord in the very end, you're putting your index finger on the B string on the 3rd fret. So it starts here. Those are the exact same as the first half. Then when you come here, ring finger stays on the 5th fret on the D string, but your index finger goes to the 3rd fret on your B string, but you pick it the exact same way. So that second half looks like. So all together slowly, the entire riff looks like this. And then that just repeats throughout the beginning of the song. Now right before the chorus happens, you hear them strum through some single strums on the chords. These chords you can play throughout the entire song. It's the same chord progression throughout the entire song, but these are the chords that they're playing there. It's going to be F major, but you're playing it 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, open. So thumb catches the low E on the 1, ring finger and pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the A and the D string, middle finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string, and then you let that E ring open. It is a little bit harder. It's going to be very hard to curl your hand around enough to let the E string ring open, but keep practicing it. You want to stay on your fingertips and curve your hand as much as possible. Kind of push against the back of the guitar neck with your palm if that helps you to kind of make sure there's enough space for that E string to ring open. That's the first chord. Then they just go to a regular A minor chord, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. That's middle finger, 2nd fret, D string, ring finger, 2nd fret, G string, index finger, 1st fret, B string. Then they go E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. All strings are open except middle finger, 2nd fret, A string, ring finger, 2nd fret, D string. Then they go back to the F, back to the A minor, and then to G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. I play it ring finger, 3rd fret, E string, middle finger, 2nd fret, A string, pinky finger, 3rd fret, high E string. And those are all just single strums throughout the part that they're playing in the song before the chorus happens, and I believe they're also single strumming them throughout the chorus. Again, you can strum through these throughout the entire song if you want to like strum through just some chords to sing along to it, but I'll show you what it looks like with a single strum, starting with the F. Again, one more time, that looks like. Now, if you want a strumming pattern that you can use to strum throughout these chords throughout any part of the song or the entire song, you can use down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.